On a sun-kissed morning in May of 1825, the air was thick with anticipation as the bustling city of Buffalo, New York, prepared for a monumental event. The Erie Canal, an engineering marvel that would connect the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean, was about to be unveiled. The canal, a sprawling network of waterways, had been years in the making. A vision of Claes Peterson, a Dutch immigrant, and Thomas Jefferson, the fourth President of the United States, it was a project that seemed impossible. The construction had been fraught with challenges. The most daunting was the sheer scale of the project, a 363-mile-long waterway cutting through the rugged terrain of upstate New York. The labor was backbreaking, the conditions harsh, and the toll on the workers immense. But on this day, the efforts of thousands of laborers, engineers, and politicians were about to bear fruit. Delegations from across the nation had gathered, eager to witness the historic moment. As the clock struck 10, a cannon fired, signaling the official opening of the Erie Canal. The crowd erupted in a cacophony of cheers, their voices echoing through the valleys. The first barge, the Seneca Chief, was about to embark on a journey that would take it from the heart of New York State to the bustling port of New York City. As it began its voyage, the Seneca Chief was met with a flotilla of smaller boats, each filled with well-wishers and spectators. The journey was long and arduous, taking 8 days to complete. But as the Seneca Chief entered the Hudson River and sailed towards the city, it marked the beginning of a new era. The Erie Canal would forever change the face of transportation, commerce, and the very landscape of America. The opening of the Erie Canal was not just a triumph for the United States, but a beacon of hope and progress. It symbolized the resilience of the human spirit and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. In the years that followed, the Erie Canal would become a lifeline, connecting the heartland of America to the bustling ports of the East Coast. It would spur growth, fostering new cities and towns along its route. But on this day, as the Seneca Chief sailed into the sunset, the people of Buffalo could not help but feel a sense of pride. They had witnessed history in the making, a testament to the indomitable spirit of their nation. The Erie Canal was not just a waterway, but a symbol of progress, a testament to the power of ambition, and a beacon of hope for a brighter future.